In order to get a great finished drawing, you need a good rough sketch. And what is it that beginner artists leave out? What is the secret to a great rough sketch? It starts with a good gesture drawing. And what's the best gesture drawing system out there? The force drawing approach. It teaches you a complete system for gesture drawing. A key part of this system is drawing verbs. Each line you draw expresses an idea, an action. Let me show you how it works. Here we have an exciting pose reference. Other drawing methods teach you to draw body parts. An X shape for the rib cage, one for the abdomen, one for the pelvis, cylinders for the limbs and neck, and another X shape for the head. And of course, make sure you measure everything so you don't mess up those proportions. But they are wrong. This is a very dry and boring approach. The result doesn't come even close to all the energy and effort the model puts into the pose. How can we do justice to the model? By shifting our focus to drawing action. What does this mean? Well, it's the secret to drawing great gestures. Each line must express an action. With this in mind, I start by drawing the figure's leaning upper back, then the pull across the abdomen into the thrusting hip. Now that I drew the torso's action, I complete its form and shape. Next, I draw the supporting leg, which keeps the figure from falling. After that, I draw the pushing leg, the stretching arm, gripping hands, the slightly slanted lightsaber. Then I draw the reaching arm and hands, and finally the bowing neck and head. Notice the order of my thinking. Action first, then body part. I draw what each body part is doing. This makes the drawing process so much more exciting and insightful, which in turn results in more impressive drawings. The kind that catches the viewer's attention. As Mike always says, draw the action and the shape appears. Now that we have a good gesture drawing, we can refine it further into a rough sketch by correcting the proportions where necessary and drawing the details. Alright, let's try another pose. If you're enjoying the content of this video, please leave a like, share it with your artist friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any exciting updates. For this pose, I start with the figure's bending torso, the thrusting shoulder, and hanging arm. Then I draw the bending screen right leg, which supports most of his weight, the angled screen left leg, and the tilted foot. I draw a rough ground plane so the figure isn't just floating on the page. After that, I draw the pulling upper back muscles to further emphasize the action in that area. Then I draw the bending arm with its poking elbow and hooked fingers. Last but not least, I draw the leaning neck and head. Now it's time to refine the drawing further and add details. Keep drawing in a loose and carefree manner and make any necessary adjustments as you go. Accuracy is a process, not an event. You need to work towards it. It doesn't happen at once. So don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself. Relax, enjoy the process, and keep your focus on drawing action, even when drawing the details. Here we have a rough sketch that captures all the life and energy of the reference pose, ready to be turned into a finished piece. For more in-depth education, please visit drawingforce.com. There you can sign up for mentorships, memberships, courses, and so much more. See you there.